The Japanese archipelago is blessed with beautiful and very distinct seasonal variations. As one season leads into the next, all life demonstrates their capacity for change and adaptation. Japanese craftsmanship has evolved over centuries in this climate. MAYEKAWA was founded in 1924 in the area of Fukugawa, Tokyo. This area has long been a center of commercial activity since the Edo era. MAYEKAWA initially developed as an ice-making and cold storage business. The company has continually adapted and improved itself in order to meet the ever-changing needs of the market. Our business is to be one with the customer. This is the MAYEKAWA philosophy of collaborative efforts and creativity. Understanding the real needs of our client base, we have improved compressor technologies for refrigeration equipment and have expanded our operations into the chemical industry, superconducting technology, and other new fields. We will not rest on our laurels. We throw ourselves into our work at site level and develop not only a logical, but an intuitive approach. Thus, with conviction, we are able to share our expertise, something we call a sense-based knowledge, with clients and team members. We have remained true to our work philosophy. Perhaps owing to this, we are proud to say that our global expansion has taken a very community-based approach. Our overseas expansion began in Mexico in 1964. MAYEKAWA is proud of its personnel. We have personnel all across the globe who are talented, accomplished, and who foster a unique approach. We believe our personnel can flexibly respond to the needs of and promote exchanges within any fields requiring our refrigeration, energy-saving, environmental, and automation technologies. Our personnel itself is our most valuable asset. We have a long-standing commitment in the food market to the 5 fundamental requirements. They are taste, quality assurance, safety, price competitiveness, and consistency, which we have pursued and developed in collaboration with our customers. Varying methods for cooling and freezing will affect foodstuffs and produce. Flavor, color, and taste, for example. We have consistently come up with new technologies in collaboration with our customers. Our expertise and know-how has helped produce a wide variety of products for the market. We are currently developing a meat processing robot which is able to maintain a constant temperature throughout the entire process. By developing this technology, we are able to further improve the quality and hygiene of meat processing. In 1994, MAYEKAWA was the first company in Japan to develop a robot dedicated to chicken deboning, the Toridas. The engineer who had undertaken the brief to design Toridas actually mastered the manual processing method for chickens in order to better inform what would become his future design. Toridas took 10 years of research and development in the making, certainly a product of devotion to craft. The knowledge and skills accumulated through this challenging process are now applicable to various other fields, such as pork meat processing. MAYEKAWA aims to further advance food processing technologies well into the 21st century. For example, food processing robotics technology may allow for the ability to perceive subjects which individually have subtle differences, such as shape, size, hardness, etc. Also, our cooling and refrigeration technologies will be further propelled into the new century. In order to be an ecologically sound and environmentally conscious business, MAYEKAWA has brought focus on 5 natural refrigerants, which we call the Natural 5. The Natural 5 are 5 environmentally friendly natural refrigerants. They are water, air, ammonia, carbon dioxide, and hydrocarbons. MAYEKAWA has developed new systems using these natural refrigerants. These new systems may be easily replaced with older variants as well, so that our customer base may quickly switch over to more ecologically sound technology. In 2008, our environmentally conscious and energy-saving freezer unit for cold storage, the Newton 3000, went on sale in the market. MAYEKAWA has also developed the Pascal Air, which uses air as a refrigerant and is capable of performance up to -50 to -100 degrees Celsius. Also, our adsorption chiller units use water as a refrigerant and may be used for a wide array of refrigeration purposes. MAYEKAWA has earned the trust and confidence of customers the world over. Our cost-effective, safe, and efficient machines are in extensive use throughout the industrial refrigeration market and even on reefer cargo ships. We have also developed technologies in collaboration with customers in the beverage production industries to maximize efficiency. In addition to these, our expertise extends to fields such as artificial ice surface making for the testing of automobile technology, as well as super efficient refrigeration units required for nuclear power plants. At the Nagano Winter Olympics, the production of all the refrigeration units for all the ice games venues and its management and maintenance during the games were undertaken by MAYEKAWA. Currently, a large majority of the skating rinks across Japan are powered and kept refrigerated by MAYEKAWA technology. MAYEKAWA has been producing large-scale heat pumps since 1971, much earlier than any of our competitors. Our technology has been put to use in a myriad of areas requiring cooling and heating for both air and water. In recent years, in a pursuit of better performance and environmental friendliness, new heat pumps using CO2 and hydrocarbons are being developed. MAYEKAWA heat pumps boast some remarkable specifications. A CO2 heat pump for hot air supply capable of temperatures up to 120 degrees Celsius. Mobile ground cooler devices are in use at airports for providing heating and cooling to aircraft air conditioning as per required. MAYEKAWA technology is contributing in a wide variety of ways. MAYEKAWA's extensive experience in compressor machines for refrigeration has resulted in diversification into other fields where gas compression technologies are required. We are very proud to say that our expertise in this field is held in high regard. MAYEKAWA's compressor technologies are being used in offshore platforms for the purpose of vapor recovery of associated gases produced when drilling. Our technology is also being applied in fields such as the development of the maglev train, or for producing temperatures as low as -270 degrees Celsius for the purposes of subnuclear particles research, which is at the forefront of science unlocking the mysteries of the universe. The world we live in today is at a crossroads. Mass production and mass consumption has characterized the 20th century. Despite the convenience of the high-speed mass consumption gained in the last century, we believe that people are now seeking a different approach for the future. In addition, environmental consciousness, dwindling energy resources, and food production issues are very real problems being faced by humankind now. The 21st century must be the epoch in history where the older patterns of mass production and consumption make way for a world seeking quality and humanity, a world of sustainable and secure growth. Ever since its foundation, MAYEKAWA has always identified itself as follows. The environment enables the company to operate. This stance of reverence and humility to our habitat has been maintained throughout our growth. Our tenacious belief and conviction has helped to forge our technological advances in the fields of compression, refrigeration, and freezing, always with our minds on the environment, natural resources, food and health. We strive to continuously improve and better ourselves. MAYEKAWA's motto of working as one with the customer will remain true as we adapt, advance, and grow well into the future.